Did you know that something as simple as your breath can unlock the most profound manifestation powers? In this video, I'll reveal a life-changing breathing technique inspired by Neville Goddard's teachings and the law of attraction. By the end, you'll not only feel more aligned with your desires, but also walk away with a powerful bonus tip that will supercharge your manifestations. So stay with me because this is a game changer. Think about this. Breathing is something you do automatically, yet it holds the key to creating the life you desire. The best part, you already have everything you need to start manifesting your dreams today, right here, right now, with just your breath. Let me share a quick story. A friend of mine, let's call him Daniel, was struggling. He was drowning in debt, stuck in a job he hated, and constantly stressed. He tried affirmations, vision boards, and journaling, but nothing seemed to work. One day, I shared a simple breathing technique rooted in Neville Goddard's concept of assumption. Within weeks, Daniel started feeling calmer, clearer, and more aligned. Within months, he manifested a new job that tripled his income. Sounds magical, right? But it's not magic, it's alignment. Let me break it down for you. When you control your breath, you control your state of being. And when you control your state of being, you control what you attract. Neville often said, you must assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. What better way to do that than by syncing your breath with your imagination? Now that you understand the theory, let's dive deeper into the actual technique. I want you to follow along with me. This will be a guided experience. So take a moment to find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed, and let's begin the manifestation breath alignment technique. Ready? Let's go. Start by sitting comfortably with your back straight and your hands relaxed on your lap. Close your eyes gently. Begin to focus on your breath, but don't try to control it just yet. Let it flow naturally. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. As you inhale, imagine you're breathing in the energy of your deepest desires. See your dream life in vivid detail, whether it's a thriving career, the perfect relationship, or vibrant health. With each breath, you're not just filling your lungs with air, you're filling your body with the feeling of your wish fulfilled. As you inhale, bring to mind the emotions you'll feel when your desire manifests. Picture yourself in that reality, smiling, celebrating, feeling a deep sense of gratitude and joy. Really immerse yourself in that experience. Imagine what it looks like, feels like, and even sounds like. With every breath, you're not just breathing in air, you're breathing in possibility. You're breathing in your future. Now, as you've inhaled, hold your breath gently for a count of 4. Don't rush through this part. Allow yourself to feel the fullness of this moment. While you hold your breath, stay with the feeling of your manifestation. Allow that feeling to deepen. Let the joy, the excitement, the fulfillment of your dream permeate your entire being. If you can, feel it as if it's already happening right now. Feel the exhilaration in your body like you've just won the lottery, or you've reached the peak of your success. Engage all your senses. Picture the details in your mind and feel them in your heart. Remember, this is the key moment. It's not just about seeing your dream. It's about embodying the emotions of your wish fulfilled. Neville Goddard always said, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This pause is where you truly align with your desire, and it's crucial to stay in this feeling. Now, slowly exhale through your mouth for a count of 6. Take your time with the exhale. As you breathe out, imagine releasing any doubts, fears, or limiting beliefs. Imagine letting go of everything that doesn't serve your highest good, any negative thoughts or old stories about why your dream won't happen. With every exhale, you're letting go of resistance. As you exhale, also imagine releasing any physical tension in your body. Feel your shoulders relax, your muscles soften, and your mind become clear. Feel the release of anxiety, impatience, or any attachment to the outcome. You're surrendering the how and simply trusting the process. At the same time, infuse your exhale with a deep sense of gratitude. Be thankful for the manifestations already on their way to you. The universe is always working on your behalf. Give thanks for the invisible forces that are aligning everything in your favor. Gratitude is magnetic. It's a powerful force that sends a signal to the universe that you're already abundant, already fulfilled. When you exhale with gratitude, you amplify the manifestation process. Now that you've done one full cycle, continue with the process for 5 to 10 minutes, breathing in deeply with intention, pausing to feel, and exhaling with gratitude. As you continue, let the process become more effortless. Allow your breath to guide you into a deeper state of alignment with your desires. With every breath cycle, your connection to your desire will strengthen. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to enter this state of alignment. Every breath you take is like planting a seed. Your dream is growing, expanding, and taking root in your life. You may notice that as you continue, you feel lighter, more peaceful, and even more confident. This is the power of anchoring your manifestation through breath. You are literally tuning your vibration to the frequency of your desire. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Over time, this technique will become a powerful tool in your daily life. You'll start to notice small miracles unfolding, maybe an unexpected opportunity, a sudden insight, or a new connection. And this is just the beginning. Now, here's a special bonus tip for you. For an even more powerful effect, try doing this technique just before you go to bed. As Neville Goddard often taught, the state akin to sleep is one of the most powerful states for manifesting because your subconscious is most receptive during this time. As you breathe deeply, visualize your desire as vividly as you can. Feel the emotions and sense of fulfillment while in a relaxed state. And as you exhale, let yourself drift off to sleep. You're planting seeds in your subconscious that will grow overnight. This is when the magic happens, because while you sleep, your subconscious mind is working on bringing your desire into reality. It's like programming your mind with success and abundance while you rest. When your body is relaxed and your mind is drifting, your subconscious is most open to new beliefs. Imagine yourself already living your dream life as you breathe deeply and fall asleep in that state. This supercharges your manifestations like nothing else. So, there you have it, the manifestation breath alignment technique. With consistent practice, this simple yet powerful method can transform your life. By controlling your breath and connecting to the feelings of your desire, you're not just manifesting, you're aligning with the natural flow of the universe. Remember, as Neville Goddard said, the feeling is the secret. Every breath you take is a step closer to your dreams. Here's the fascinating part. This isn't just about visualization. Science backs it up too. Deep breathing shifts your nervous system from fight or flight to rest and digest mode. This makes you more receptive to new ideas, possibilities, and inspired actions. And when you're in this relaxed state, you're operating at the same frequency as your desires. Think about it. When you're stressed or anxious, it's almost impossible to focus on your goals. But when you're calm, grounded, and aligned, everything feels within reach. Remember Daniel? He told me that his first breakthrough came after just one session of this breathing exercise. He said, "For the first time, I actually felt like my wish was real. That's the power of this technique." Here's what Neville said that resonates so deeply with this practice. To assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled is to awaken within you the dormant powers that will bring it to pass. Each breath you take is an opportunity to awaken those powers. You don't need fancy tools or rituals, just your intention and your imagination. Let's try this together right now. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine your biggest dream coming true. Feel the joy, the relief, the gratitude. Hold on to that feeling as you exhale slowly. How does that feel? Comment below if you already feel a shift. I'd love to hear your experience. So what are you waiting for? Start practicing the manifestation breath alignment today and let me know your results in the comments. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Neville-inspired techniques, and share it with someone who needs this. Remember, you are just one breath away from transforming your life. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and living boldly. Hey, I've got something exciting to share with you. Are you ready to boost your confidence, attract positivity, and feel more at peace? My new ebook, Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days, is the ultimate guide to creating lasting change. With daily affirmations, guided meditations, and visualization techniques, this 30-day challenge will help you feel more motivated, confident, and purposeful. And the best part, it's only $4.99. Start your transformation today. Grab your copy and watch your life change.